So we're starting something new today. We're going to work with coins and money. And I know there's not a lot of experience with money and coins before this, so I just wanted to give a little preview and introduction into it. So this page right here has our coins that we're going to work with: a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, and a $50 on here, but we really won't use that. So a penny, this is what the front of it looks like. And the back, it's worth 1 cent. And it will be bronze or brown, so I think almost all students should recognize a penny. The nickel, that one's a little bit tougher. It's bigger than the penny, and it's kind of silver colored, and it's worth 5 cents. And it gets confusing when we get to the dime because it's the little guy. The dime is the little one, worth 10 cents. And the quarter, the biggest one we're working with, is 25 cents. And this is what the front looks like, this is what the back looks like. Okay, so if you ever need to look up the values or keep this, you can Google identify coin worksheets, and this will come up, or you can keep this video up if you need it for a day or two. Another page right here that's nice, I got this one by going to education.com. They have a lot of free worksheets that you can look at, so I think that would be a good idea if you're having trouble identifying the coins, but I'll just do a couple quick. It wants us to underline all the quarters. So right now I want you to take a look at this and count how many quarters you can find. Alright, so I'm going to underline all the quarters and see if you got them all. So these 5 quarters that I've just underlined are the easier ones, and they try to trick you by showing us the back of these two. So total, if you count them up, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quarters. Next it wants us to circle all the dimes. So you go ahead and take a second and count up how many dimes you see. Alright, dimes. Okay, so I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimes. It wants us to place an X or cross out all the nickels. So I would like you to go ahead and count how many nickels you see. And I'll cross them off and see if we get the same answer. There are a lot of nickels. So I believe I got 13. Hopefully we got the same answer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then put a square around all the pennies. That's the last one left for me, so I'll count them up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the hardest ones for students are going to be telling a nickel from a quarter. Pennies are the brown ones, the bronze ones. Dimes are the small ones. Quarter is the biggest. And then the nickel that is worth 5 cents is the silver one that is in the middle. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions or you need any help or other resources, let me know. I'll try to put an assignment up on Prodigy too, which will help enforce money. That way, if you want extra practice with it, they can play Prodigy and it'll be money type of questions. Thanks.